What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about if you want to go and start a business, you need to go and see what are the things needed to start a business, what are the qualifications, what do you need to do the registration of making a business, what do you need to go and file all of the files if you want to know the accounting and all, what are the law and what are the registration, how you want to go and treat your employees. So if you're looking forward for that, you need to go, and that all things look so complex, but if you go and start making it directly without studying anything, it is just going to be a loss. So if you need to know and learn something for free, what's bad in that? You must be saying that I must have graduated by some this degree, I have done some MBAs, but you don't have an actual knowledge. So you need to go and get some advice from the people who have already started the business, who have already done the business. They are going to be like some immature in business because they must not be knowing all of the things and what are the things needed. Of course nobody knows everything, right? So you need to go and start some program and take a course. So this is the course which I would like to go and offer you. I'm not offering or something, I'm just going to show you that I'm going to doing this course, and I'm getting a due date like 21st October 2019. This course is going to go and expire. So you can go on Google Play and just go on search Startup India, and you will end up on this page. Just go and install it, and it is from Government of India itself, so you will get a proper knowledge from that. So after that I have installed it, I have registered it. As you can see, I have completed my 42% of this course. And it doesn't matter that if you are actually starting the business, but having the knowledge of everything is not a bad idea. So introduction to entrepreneurship and programs, so you are starting something new. So if you look forward for that, it is going to go and introduce you current scenario of entrepreneurship and all. So just go and look forward for the, you have to read everything, all right? Read everything, you will get some ideas from the people who are doing well in some or the area. You will get some motivation from the most important people of India who have already achieved something in life. You have to go and watch the video. You will get some questionnaires, so you have to answer some of the things. You will get the type of forms, you have to go and fill all of that one. You will get some surveys. You're actually going to go and establish yourself like that. So if you go and completed that 100%, you will get the certificate like this. So it is from Government of India, and it is hosted by Government of India, but it's from Startup India. All right, so you will get the idea about that. So it is also going to give you some books. You will going to go and get some files in case if you look for facing any issue or problems in your life, in your business life, I mean to say. You will get some ideas and all. Building a legal foundation. About financial, I have not even completed the financial basic and all. And business planning, how you go and fund and raising, how you can go and get some money by, how you can go and get the idea of how you can go and evaluate your money, and how you can go and set up your mind in order to go and make your business successful. Pitching the term sheet, so you'll get the idea of all the term sheet you need to go and do in order to make your business proper value. And it is also giving you a Facebook blueprint, so you can go and follow that one. You have to go and read all of this one, and that's how you can go and get some ideas from that. It is free of charge, don't worry, you don't have to pay anything, but the value you will get from watching this kind of a course, choose a right legal structure, permit registration, property rights and contracts, all the things you will get from this application are worth value. Even I didn't thought this is going to be extra professional, but it is actually going to go and give you all of the things which you are facing. What you will get to know about the people who actually are working and how they get into that stand, how they started their company from nothing. So employee agreement, so you get the file, you have to go and download. You can go and start giving the quiz and attempt and give the question to that. You will get all of the details. You are going to go and really enjoy if you're looking forward to be serious in order to make your business successful. Getting the knowledge from this application is going to be really worth it. So I highly recommend, if you're looking forward to start a business, you just have to go and learn everything, not all the time, all the day, but you have to go and learn everything, like spending 4 hours in a day and learning from this application is going to give you a lot of values and lot of improvement in what you think of making a business successful. Is going to be help you. You can go and actually interact with the people who you want to go and start doing the business. You can go and share your ideas, how you can make your uh, how you can make your things successful. You can get the ideas by giving the upvote. You can go and comment them and you will get the response from others as well. If you're looking for how can I get funding to start up, and how is the future of daily farming in India, I need my certificate, please send me the mail faster. Okay, you can go and read all of that one, give them answer, give them upward. You can follow them if you want. You can go and contact them directly, and if that comes to the point that you and another person is also doing the same thing, you can go and partner with them and make your company successful. So I really hope you should go and look for starting this kind of a thing. You will get the details about that, what they are actually doing. You can give your details, and that's how you can go and make your life successful and make your business. And getting the idea of everything you left is going to be worthwhile. So go and really start planning on this application. It is not just like reading and all, it will actually give you the experience which you need to be in the business marketing, and having the knowledge which is actually really helpful in order to survive in this kind of a way of making your business successful. Just you will get the actual knowledge of what you really need. So I hope you found this video informative and useful. Actually, this video is so powerful, and I don't know, I can't express how this application is powerful in making myself more mature in the terms of making all the business decision and life decision of what I used to think and what it actually is going on in real world. So I hope you found this video informative and useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys in the next one. You can also follow me if you want to know and discuss with me of what you think of making your business. So I hope you found this video informative. I'll see you guys in the next one.